Here we go, 4th graders, with your video today, and I will resize this so we can see. We are looking at prime numbers, so you can see here's Buzz and Woody talking about prime numbers and how they are everywhere. We're going to explore those to see if that is the case. So, here we go. Factors, prime numbers, composite numbers. So look at 2 times 4 is 8. 2 and 4 are the factors. 8 is the product. Prime number has 2 factors, 1 and itself. Now I want to back up for a second and look at factors. So when you think of factors in a multiplication sentence, there's always 2, and there's 1 product. So, as you're watching this video, I want you to go like this. Factors, 2, product, 1. And we're going to go through that in group 2. So a prime number has 2 factors, 1 on itself. So now, for a prime number, go 2. Composite number has more than 2 factors. So now for composite, we're going to go like this. This is sign language for more. My son, that's 1, uses this, so this is more. So composite, more than 2 factors. Prime number, 2 factors. So here we go. So here's your question to answer before you come to group. Is 28 prime or composite, and how do you know? How can you use drawings to prove it? I want you to think about what we did towards the beginning of the year when we looked at multiplication numbers to see how flexible they are or not. Is there a way we could use drawings like that to prove if 28 is prime or composite? If you have other ways you could solve that too, please bring that to group. In group, you're going to get to do some drawings with different numbers showing if they are prime or composite. So when you come to group, bring a pencil.